Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the blastocyst. The blastocyst is the structure formed in the early development of mammals. It possesses an inner cell mass with the subsequently forms of the embryo. The outer layer of blastocyst consists of cells collectively called as a trophoblast. The layer surrounds the inner cell mass and the fluid-filled cavity known as a blastocele. The trophoblast giving rise to the placenta. In human blastocyst formation being above the 5 days after the fertilization. When a fluid-filled cavity opens up to the morula, the early embryonic stage of the ball of the 16 cells. The blastocysts have as a diameter of about to the zero point 0.1 to 0.2 mm and the comprise to 200 to 300 cells following rapid cleavage, that is cell division. About 7 days after fertilization, the blastocyst undergoes implantation. Embedding it is the endometrium of the uterine wall. And the blastocyst is generally in an embryo development. It is the after the fertilization, after cleavage, after the blastulation and the implantations. In an embryo development, first of all, two cells. After then, it will develop four cells. After that, it will develop eight cells. Then it will be converted into the morula. After that, it will be converted into the blastocyst. In a stage first, the contact there is some kind of stages in the blastocyst in the which is the stage first is the compacted. In a second stage it is the early blastocyst. In a stage third it is a blastocyst. In a stage 4 expanded blastocyst. In stage 5 and 6 it is the hatching and hatched. Implantation. In a 4-day morula reaches the uterine cavity. In the 5th day of zona pellucida degeneration start. In the 6th day of development, blastocyst adheres to the endometrium epithelium. In the day 7, tonoblast differentiated into the cytotrophoblast, and the day 8 will be differentiated into the blastocyst and the superficially embedded in the compact layer of the endometrium. Blastocyst development, almost blastocyst development in a after day 8 or a fully development after the day 9 and day 10. The blastocyst is the in vitro fertilization involves the culturing a fertilized egg for 5 days before the implanting into the uterus. It can be more viable method for the fertility treatment, that is a traditional IVF. The inner cell mass of the blastocyst is the source of the embryonic stem cell, which are broadly applicable in the stem cell therapies, including cell repair, replacement, and the regeneration. During human embryonic development, approximately 5 to 6 days after fertilization, the cells of the morula being undergoes the cell differentiation and the morula changes into the blastocyst. As I told you in day 5, after the day 5 and day 6, and approximately day 6, it will be fully developed, and the implantation marked to the end of the germinal stage of the embryogenesis. And how to now I will tell you how to blastocyst formation. The zygote developed by the mitosis, and when it has developed into the 16 cells become known as a morula. Until this stage is developed, all cells called as a blastomere are autonomous and not specified. In animal cells, the morula then developed by the cavitation to become the blastula. Cellular differentiation that develops the blastula cell into the two types, torfoblast cells and the surrounded by the blastocele. And the inner cell mass, the concept is it's known as a blastocyst. The side of the blastocyst where the inner cell mass form is called as the animal pole and the opposite side is the vegetable pole. The outer layer of tonoblast cells resulting from the compaction pumps sodium ions into the blastocyst, which causes water to enter through the osmosis and form the internal fluid filled blastocyst cavity. The blastocele, coronablast cells, and the inner cell mass are the hallmark of the blastocyst. So this is all about the blastocyst. I hope you are satisfied with this section. If you have any query, write down in the comment box. Thank you.